This video will walk you through how to build your blind base cabinet. Start by inserting your sides into the grooves of the face frame. Make sure the toe kicks are even with the face frame. Next, you want to insert the bottom panel into the grooves on both sides and the face frame. Now, you can slide in your back bottom panel and attach your L brackets. Now you can repeat these steps for the front panel. After standing up your cabinet, slide the back panel into the grooves, making sure it's flush. Next, you want to attach your corner braces to the top of the cabinet. Now you want to attach your drawer L brackets using the pre-drilled holes. After that, you want to slide your glides onto the L bracket and screw into the side of the face frame. Now we can begin building the drawer. Apply the wood glue to all the grooves on the drawer front. Take your drawer sides and put them together using the dovetailed grooves. Now slide your drawer base into place, put wood glue into the grooves on the back panel of your drawer, and attach it using the dovetail grooves. Now, attach your drawer glide connectors to the bottom of your drawer. Slide your drawer into the cabinet and then slide your glides onto the connectors. Make sure you lock your glides into place. Be sure to attach your door stops. Now you can attach your hinges to the door using the screws in the pre-drilled holes. Now that the hinges are attached to the door, line the hinges up with the predetermined nipples on the side of the face frame and attach the door. Now you're ready to install your new cabinet.